In today's video, I have 4 beginner side hustles that anyone can do. And no, we're not talking about the things that everyone else talks about, like starting an online store or starting a blog. And sure, some people may want to do that, but that's not for everyone. So what I have listed in this video are gigs for beginners that I know for a fact that are sure to work and literally anyone can do. And the great thing about all this is it doesn't require you to have any unique skills. So without further ado, let's jump into these 4 gigs. And side hustle number 1 is ShareTown. What ShareTown does is facilitate online returns for online furniture companies. This means when an online furniture company sells you a product and you decide that you don't like the product and want to return it, most of the times that item that you want to return can't fit in boxes. For instance, we'll say a mattress, because once you open it and it expands, it can't fit into the box anymore. This is where ShareTown comes in. ShareTown hires reps in each town and brings them back to their house. ShareTown does the bulk of the work by giving you the images. They fill out the description, pretty much everything you need to post these practically new furniture pieces to Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Craigslist. And when they sell, you will split the final sale price with ShareTown. Many of these online mattress companies sell from $500 to $700. There are many positive testimonials and people who are doing ShareTown as a side hustle that are making almost up to $3,000 to $4,000 per month. But all of this is on your own time, as you can pick the day and the time that works best for you to pick up the items. This is a great side hustle to do on the weekday, and more of a plus if you can do it on the weekends. And all you would need is a pickup truck or an SUV, and the form is very simple to fill out online to get started. One thing that you hear people talk about mostly is flipping products, and what I'm talking about in particular is flipping furniture, and for a good reason. It is something that if you're really serious about, you can make a lot of money. And again, it is something I think anyone can do, and you don't need a lot of experience to start. And most important, you don't need a lot of money to start this as well. What I love about couch flipping is that it is one of the side hustles that can make you a lot of money with very little effort. I recently made a video where I reacted to someone doing couch flipping, where he talks about how he made $8,000 a month in profit from just flipping couches. And mind you, this is all take-home money, but if you really want to take it to the next level, you can flip almost anything. You can sell tables, you can sell chairs, you can sell electronics, TVs, phones, whatever it is you can find a good deal on, you can flip it. This is an awesome side hustle that you can potentially make 6 figures from, and with the opportunity to flip other items to boost that income as well. This little hack is one you can do from the site called Printful and Etsy. So here's what you're going to do. First, you want to go over to eBay and find a niche that is selling very well. So for instance, like something matching like husband and wife shirt or mother and daughter shirts. As you can see, there's a bunch of shirts on the website that are selling a lot. This one has 59,000 reviews and this one has 14,000 reviews. Then you're going to want to make your own design that's different. So once you figured out your niche, what you're going to want to do is go over to Canva. And Canva is a free design website that I really think anyone should check out. On here you can find a bunch of different products of pre-made t-shirts, mugs, and sweatshirt designs that you can then delete the words that they have and make it your own thing. You can even search specific things on Google like sports t-shirts or Valentine's Day t-shirts, and it will give you the design that you can grab and customize. So once you find a design that you are sure about and want to sell it on Etsy, all you have to do is go over to the site called Printful. So Printful has everything from stationers to t-shirts to sweatshirts to mugs to glasses, pet bowls, phone covers, and you can put the design that you customize from Canva that you created yourself on any of these items. Printful will drop ship it for you automatically. It's connected directly to your Etsy store. So when an order comes in through your Etsy store, it will go directly to Printful and they will ship it out for you. You don't have to pay upfront for the products or hold a bunch of inventory. They'll handle it all for you, which is great. Another great side hustle that I think is great is freelancing. And the reason why I say this is because you are utilizing your special skills to earn extra money. Do not even think that you lack a special skill. Trust me, you do, and you just need to figure out what it is. A freelancer is someone with a particular skill who offers it to a client, hourly or per project. There are freelance writers, designers, coders, accountants, carpenters, video editors, and even executives. In short, freelancing is a way to get your autonomy and get paid for doing something that you specialize in. Sites such as Fiverr and Upwork have created global marketplaces for freelancers to advertise their services and for companies to browse and secure talent. Freelance remote work has become increasingly popular for established companies to grow their capacity without increasing their full-time headcount. What I love about freelancing is it gives you flexibility to set your work schedule and the type of work you want. It's a great way to get paid for what you do best and avoid the requirement to engage in busy work or pointless meetings. But then also, the earner potential There is no cap. In fact, the more experience you have, the better your portfolio. This also means that you can charge a little bit more for your services. A highly sought after freelancer can make hundreds of dollars an hour, and freelance earnings are growing worldwide. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found value in this video, please be sure to give me a like and subscribe. That way you keep up to date on other videos that I do like this. Keep in mind to remember this word of wisdom. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory on your journey. Keep pushing, stay resilient, and embrace the progress you make. You got the strength within you to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Let's keep God first and keep going. Until the next video, I'm out.